How to use Photoshop on Android phone. So basically a step-by-step guide on how to use Photoshop on your Android. So the first thing you're gonna have to do, of course, is to go to your Google Play Store and download Photoshop Express. So over here we have Photoshop. We've already installed it. Then just go ahead and open the actual Photo Express app. Once you enter, you're gonna be requested for a few permissions in order to actually be able to use the app. You can go ahead and try signing in or creating an Adobe account if you want, but once you have the app open, then you should be able to start editing already. First, you can go ahead and try importing a photo. So just go ahead and choose a photo of your liking. Over here we have a cute little doggy, and there you can pretty much just start editing your image. You can crop your stuff, you can adjust its filters, you can change its look. There are already set templates over here you want to go ahead and try. You can smoothen it out, reshape, but it's pretty much up to you on exploring the features that Photoshop has for your image. Other than that, once you're pretty much finished with your image, you can go ahead to the top right corner where you can finally export or download your picture. You can go ahead and save it over here. Then you can choose wherever you want to download it. And once that's done, you should be able to enjoy your new Photoshop work. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.